In third example, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Then KSP is equal to, what is the formula? X raised to x, y raised to y and s raised to x plus y is equal to 2 raised to 2, because value of x is 2, value of y is 3, 3 raised to 3 and s raised to 3 plus 2, 5. 2 raised to 2, 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 3, 27, s raised to 5, then 108, s raised to 5. This is the relation between solubility and solubility product of this sparingly soluble salt. The next is the next example. This question was asked in NEET 2016 based on this point, solubility and solubility product. Example is solubility of silver chloride AgCl with solubility product is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 in 0.1 molar NaCl solution. NaCl solution would be option A, 1.26 into 10 raised to minus 5. Option B is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9. C is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 11 and D is 0. This question was asked in NEET 2nd 2016. Then how will you calculate the answer of this question based on solubility and solubility product? First of all, let us consider, S is the solubility of silver chloride, in moles per liter, and its dissociation can be written as Ag plus plus Cl minus aqueous. What is the question? Solubility of AgCl, silver chloride with solubility product 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 in 0.1 molar NaCl solution. That means in this solution there is one more solution is present, that is 0.1 molar NaCl solution. And what is the similarity between silver chloride and NaCl? What is similar? Which ion is similar in these two solution? Cl minus ion is common. Therefore, if we have to consider S is the solubility of silver chloride, it form again Ag plus having solubility S, and Cl minus ion is present in both solution, 0.1 molar NaCl solution and AgCl solution. Therefore, its solubility is S plus concentration of NaCl. What is the concentration of NaCl? 0.1 molar. S is the solubility of Cl minus ions from AgCl. plus 0.1 molar is the solubility of 0.1 molar NaCl solution. Both ions are common, therefore we have to add solubility plus 0.1. Then what is the expression for KSP? For AgCl, concentration of Ag plus into concentration of Cl minus. For both ions, number of moles are equal, that is 1. Then substituting values, what is the solubility product? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 is equal to, what is the solubility of silver plus capital S and Cl minus S plus 0.1. S into S plus 0.1. Then, but we have to know this S is very small. S is very less than 0.1 because NaCl is the salt which is completely dissociated into its ions in solution, but AgCl is the sparingly soluble salt which cannot be completely dissociated into its ions. Therefore, as compared to solubility of 0.1 molar NaCl, solubility of this Cl minus ion is very small. Therefore, this S can be neglected. Then remaining is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 is equal to S into 0.1. Then what is the value of solubility? Solubility of AgCl, we have to calculate solubility. Most important thing that why this S can be neglected, because of NaCl is the salt and we know that salt is completely dissociated into its ions in solution. Therefore, more concentration of Cl minus ion provided by NaCl, and AgCl is a sparingly soluble salt which cannot be completely dissociated. Therefore, as compared to NaCl, solubility of Cl minus provided by NaCl is very greater than. Therefore, this S can be neglected, and from this we can calculate S is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 divided by 0.1 is equal to 1.6. We know that 0.1 is nothing but 10 raised to minus 1 and answer is 10 raised to minus 9. This is your answer. Which is answer? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 9. This is correct answer. Such types of questions are asked in NEET examination. Then second question is also related to this point, solubility and solubility product, which is also next question, which is also asked in NEET examination, NEET 2017. Concentration of Ag plus ions. Question is concentration of Ag plus ions in a saturated solution of Ag2C2O4 silver oxalate. Ag2C2O4 means silver oxalate is 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter. Solubility product is for silver oxalate is 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter. Question is, concentration of silver plus ions in a saturated solution of Ag2C2O4 is 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 moles per liter, and what is its solubility product? We have to calculate solubility product of this silver oxalate. Option A, 2.66 into 10 raised to minus 12. Option B is 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 11. Option C, 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 12. Option D, 2.42 into 10 raised to minus 8. And this question was asked in NEET 2017. First of all, we have to calculate relation between solubility and solubility product for this silver oxalate. Now, silver oxalate is dissociated into its ions as twice Ag plus oxalate minus 2. Here value of X is equal to 2 and value of Y is equal to 1. Then we know the relation KSP is equal to X raised to X, Y raised to Y, S raised to X plus Y. Then substituting values, KSP is equal to X is equal to 2, 2 raised to 2, 1 raised to 1, and S raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3. Therefore, KSP is equal to 4S cube. 4S cube. Then here solubility of silver ions is given 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. That is, value of S is given and we have to calculate KSP. Then KSP is equal to 4 into S cube. What is the value of S? Solubility is given 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4. Therefore, 2.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 cube. Then its value is becomes 5 by multiplication 5.3 to 4 into 10 raised to minus 12. This is the solubility product for silver oxalate. And which option is correct? 5.3 to 4 is nearly equal to 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 12. Therefore, correct answer is C. Then one more question here. Which has highest pH? This question depends on pH of salt. 4 types of salt we have already studied. Salt of strong acid, strong base, salt of weak acid, strong base, salt of strong acid, weak base, and salt of weak acid, weak base. Which has highest pH? Question is, which has highest pH? Which has highest pH? Option A, potassium acetate. Option B, sodium carbonate. option C, ammonium chloride, and option D, sodium nitrate, NaNO3, which has highest pH. That means we have to calculate pH. Then we have to know this salt is salt of which? Strong acid, strong base. First is the A option. Potassium acetate is the salt of weak acid, acetic acid, and strong base. Weak acid, acetic acid, and strong base KOH. And we know that solution of salt of weak acid, strong base is basic. That means its pH is greater than 7. Second option, Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is the salt of weak acid and strong base, which is weak acid H2CO3 carbonic acid plus strong base NaOH. Its pH is also greater than 7 because it is weak acid and strong base. Third, NH4Cl. NH4Cl is the salt of strong acid, weak base, strong acid plus weak base, strong acid HCl and weak base ammonium hydroxide. And we know that solution of strong acid, weak base is always acidic and pH is less than 7. And fourth option, sodium nitrate is the salt of strong acid and strong base. Strong acid HNO3 and strong base NaOH. And we know that solution of salt of strong acid, strong base is always neutral and its pH is equal to 7. Our question is, which has highest pH? Here pH is less than 7, therefore C option is incorrect. pH is 7, NaNO3 is also incorrect. Here two options are remaining, option A and option B, both having pH greater than 7. Then which of the following salt having pH is greater than 7? It is depending on Na2CO3 or sodium acetate. In this case, sodium hydroxide is the strong base, therefore its pH is greater than potassium acetate, therefore our correct answer is Na2CO3. Such type of questions are asked in NEET and JEE exam. Thank you.